Hello everybody! So today, actually that's a lie, I was wondering if I changed a little bit on my channel and I wanted to say a bit more about the jigsaws I do and not just put on the time lapse. So in the future you may see a few more jigsaws where I talk about, and I did an intro for this jigsaw. And I think I deleted it. So I've done the jigsaw, it is ready and I can upload it. But I have no intro, so I thought, okay, I might as well do it again. So I'm gonna do this jigsaw. It's a Wasgij, whatever you would call that. It's a Christmas puzzle, and if you are familiar with the Wasgij, whatever, you won't do the image on the box. So in this case, this would be that image. You do. So what you do is mostly you do what they see on the box. So in this case, we've got this. And there's people on their house and they're putting up the Christmas decoration, and whatever they see, that's what you do. Most times there are hints, because you have no idea what it can be. So if you see this one, lift the lid to see the hint. So I never used the hints, to be honest. So there are different types of Wasgij, but this is a classic one where you just do what they see. So I see, and of course this is now a little bit like cheating because I already did the jigsaw, but what I suspected was, my guess was that they see the neighbors and they've got a nicer Christmas decoration. So, and spoiler alert, I was right. Yeah, so I did that already, so I can't say let's do it. But hey, see how I did it. Yay. Oh, and spoiler alert, because if you want to do it or consider doing them, you might not want to watch this video, and if you don't care, or if you already did that, or if you just curious, then have fun watching me doing this. Oh my god, guys, look at that. I just asked myself how I can do this because I haven't got the image, and normally I wouldn't have a problem. But look at that. It's all... I think my guess was right, that it's all with the better decoration, but look at that. It's mostly yellow. Okay. Okay, I will do it. Yes, I will do it. Okay, so finally I'm done. This one took me longer than I like, and I must admit it wasn't that much fun for me. So it was too much yellow, and I started quite early to sort the pieces after the shape. But that didn't help in the beginning, but okay, I did it. The thing is with, what is it, falcon? Or is it jumbo? There are not many of the special pieces. So most of them are what I call the puzzle tile, the jigsaw piece, the typical one. So yeah, that wasn't that wasn't very much fun, I must admit, but I did it, and I'm happy that I've done it. So now I can say goodbye, my friend. So, and I will show you the motif a bit closer now. Okay, so my thought was correct that the neighbors have quite the nicer Christmas decoration. So here are the neighbors. I mean, they seem friendly, they seem happy. Oh, the Jones, look. Those are the Jones, and the Jones, they seem to like Christmas. So that's all the decoration they have, with all the snowmen and a little parade here. So I will show you the box again. Wait a sec. Oops, sorry. So those are the neighbors, and yeah, they don't have that much Christmas decoration, but the neighbors do. So I mean, they can see this. Maybe it would be a bit annoying after a while. Okay, so that's it for me. I've done this jigsaw, and I'm looking forward doing the next one with the image. Thank you very much for watching, and since it's Christmas soon, if you want to give me a present or make me a present, then you can hit the like button. That would help my channel grow, and that's very cool for me. So, okay, thank you very much, and Merry Christmas.